Act early. That advice from the Mento Care Center to caregivers and educational institutions with students who display behavioral problems. Here's Sandy Williams with the final of a three-part In Focus report, Violence in Session.
The data shows that our murderers are the most vicious of murderers, and the criminal activities are done by teenagers.
Principal of the Thompsontown High School, Dr. Elton Johnson, believes Jamaica's crime problem is a manifestation of unchecked behavioral problems among youths.
Unless we get it right and begin to transform the minds of our young ones through stemming the negative influence that come from the various mediums, then we are heading to the abyss.
Dr. Beverly Scott, who is a child and family therapist, says parents are responsible for students' mental health. But what happens when the parents fail?
In the event that the parents fail, then the school will have to take over. And that is why you have deans of discipline and guidance counselors in the schools.
When we refer them, I think all the other third-party agencies, they have to be more proactive in their response to our cries in the school as well. Because who to say, our guidance counselors, they do work hard, and I'm sure that they would have been intervening in areas necessary. But what support have they gotten from all the other agencies?
Dr. Sharon Anderson Morgan is director at the Mento Care Center.
The process that we go through provides a very comprehensive assessment. They're going to leave Mento Care Center with a report that is well respected out there. So when they take it to the Ministry of Education or any other agency for services, they know that whatever information is required for that service is going to be there. They know their child has been assessed in every possible area. Within our capacity. Right now, we don't have an occupational therapist.
Notwithstanding the lengthy process, the demands for intervention are mounting.
On average, pre-COVID, it was about 600 per year at this location only, because we also have other locations. Now we're trending. So for this year, we are over 800 already, people who have registered for an assessment. And remember, now we're just in October. So by the end of the year, we could be well over 1,000 registrations for assessment.
Dr. Scott believes including cognitive behavioral therapy in the school curricula could reduce the need for external intervention.
I believe there should be cognitive behavior therapy in terms of getting students to change how they think, letting them feel that they can achieve something. Sit them down and let them look at what they're doing and see what different they could do. They could examine what they're doing, how it affects them, how it affects other persons, what affects the school and so on. Show them the reality. Let them change their mindset. Let them change how they think. And that is done in cognitive behavior therapy, which is a very good therapy in helping children to change their behavior.
Meanwhile, Dr. Anderson Morgan is urging parents to act early.
If a child has a learning challenge, if they were diagnosed at 4 years old, the outcome is far more likely to be positive if they are diagnosed early. So I'd say to a parent, you see anything that looks kind of different, jump at it. Try and speak to your pediatrician, your healthcare provider, discuss it, and take that next step. Don't just wait.
Last month, the government started construction on a child and adolescent guidance and wellness center in St. James. Now, the facility is expected to assist individuals and families reduce acts of violence through counseling, skills training, and job placement. I'm Sandy Williams, reporting for TVJ News.